Yo, yo. Just wanted to do a daily recap for today, Tuesday, August 5th. Let's jump right into it. So, coming into today, um, market open, we did not inverse this 4 hour gap, right? So, this is what I was looking for. On the 1 hour, we were respecting this bullish fair value gap, and then this bearish fair value gap overlapped, so this balanced price range. So at this point in time, I don't really know where price wants to go. We did rebalance to equilibrium on the higher time frame, which was what I was looking for yesterday, right? Equilibrium was right here, and we did rebalance to it and got a little above it, which is what I wanted to see. Let's fast forward to market open. Pretty loose bias going into today. We were strong yesterday, so I wanted to see if we were going to continue. Or were we going to, retrace? Hold on, let me plug my computer charger in. Okay, so at this point in time, we have equal lows in London, and we had a strong reaction after sweeping London highs here. We barely swept Asia as well, so I was like, okay, I want to see if we sweep this and then move higher, or what happens. So, as you guys know, boom. Right it open. We take out London. Now I'm hopping down to a 1 minute to see if we get any reactions off this. I did not take this short. Why? Because we already swept out session liquidity. That would be pattern trading. So as you can see right here, we get a strong close above, right, on the 1 minute. And then I did enter my trade right about here. Right as we were testing new day opening gap. Stop was like right about here. Something like this. And I was targeting right here. Exactly what I took. Right? So this is exactly what I took. I just want to see a continuation higher into this 1 minute bearish fair value gap and take out all of this low resistance liquidity. Right, this right here we have, there it is. I want to see all these highs get taken out, and these highs right here were equal, or relative equal. A lot of low resistance liquidity. Go higher, so this is what I wanted. So let's fast forward. We chopped around a little bit right here, but we were respecting this 1 minute change in the state of delivery right here, which is what I wanted to see if we're going to move higher. We also tapped into a 3 minute gap. Not yet. Okay, hold on. I guess it's in the next minute candle. Okay, so right here we tapped into the 3 minute. Right here, as you can see. So now there was no reason for us not to go higher, in my opinion. Right? Either we were going to go higher now, or I was going to end up taking a loss on this trade. So as you can see right here, we end up flying right to TP. Boom. That was it. Now, you guys might be asking, why didn't you hold to these highs, yada yada. We already had a strong reaction off of this, and I was also on eval, so I only needed 30 points with my 5 minis. So that was the trade I took. As you can see, we didn't hit those highs. We came super close, so good thing I did take it off anyway. But yeah, this was a strong level that we were constantly reacting off of as well. So I started to implement levels into my trading a little bit just to see how that shit works. I'm not changing how I'm trading. I'm just trying to add something to see if it could, make my trading even better. But at this point in time, I basically got off the charts. As you can see right here, this fair value gap was used to go higher, or at least make an attempt. We fail right off this level again perfectly. Crazy. And then I believe we inverse 10 a.m. news. Right? We also have this point in time. We have this 3 minute that I have right here, but then we also have this 1 minute right here, right? So I'm waiting to see what happens here. At the same time, no, not yet. It's not ready. Not what I was looking for. Okay, on the next candle, I believe. Okay, yes. So at this point in time, 10 a.m. news creates a 5-minute fair value gap now. Get rid of all this. Let's clean it up. Right? We have this 5-minute fair value gap right here. And it aligns perfectly with new day opening gap from yesterday. So, actually, let's do it here. So I want to see a retrace into it. Boom. Tapped it. Actually, no, we didn't tap it yet. Now we tapped it. We edged it the first time. Tap it here. And we also are rejecting off new day opening gap as well. Look where the candle closes, taps it, and closes inside of this candle and respects this order block still. Then we see a reaction here. I know a lot of people took shorts right here. Stop above here. Targeting here for basically a 1-to-1. And then there were so many targets that you could have held for lower. I think I just messed up by doing that, but we have a small fair value gap here. Hold on, where is this? Yeah, okay, so we have a very small fair value gap here that could be used. So you could have targeted here for runners, right? And then you could have held, I have some levels, you could have held all the way down here to this area. What was this area? Let me find out. Okay. Yeah, this area was just like a previous, kind of spot where it's like an accumulation, support and resistance area kind of type thing, whatever you want to call it, whatever. Call it whatever you want. We had this 15-minute gap right here as well. So, and look, this was like a balanced price range area. And this 15-minute gap, and it was right around equilibrium. You could have even targeted equilibrium, to be honest, I believe. Right, so now let's play this out. Okay, at this point, you're break even. Okay, so the first level hit, and then there you go, equilibrium hit as well. And then I think we may have even ran to this next level that I had. Did we? Oh, this is when we rebalanced. Then look at this. This old level I had, look, first when we break it, reject off it, boom. But then look. The same level, we come all the way back up to test it, I remember. Oh, wait, no. Not yet, not yet. But look, we hit this level. Now I'm pretty sure we retrace all the way back to this previous level and then make an even lower low. Gosh. Okay, we're getting here. See? Look, boom. Tap this level in the 1 minute. Instant reaction off of it. Boom. Displacement. Now you could be looking for some sort of entry. We inverse this 5 minute right here. You probably aren't on the charts and you shouldn't be on the charts. You could have taken it off this inverse as well, but whatever. Could have targeted this low. Oops. And then you could have targeted these lows here. But let's just say you targeted here. This low for about 1.8. 1.8, 1.9 risk to reward. Right? And bang, hits. So, these are a bunch of good trades you could have taken. I mean, like, my long, yes, it wasn't the, I guess, direction or move of the day, but it still gave me some good framework, and I'm completely okay with it. I know people probably rather have taken shorts because you could have just held that move, but like, sweep of London, strong reaction, boom, 3-minute gap tap as well. 3-minute gap tap right here. And then boom, deliver right to, you know, this 1-minute fair value gap that was untouched. And this order block right here, right? This 1 minute was untapped. This is my target. And this is kind of a balanced price range in here too. So, perfect. Bang. Right to the level. Respected it. Levels worked pretty well today. I mean, say what you want. Say I shouldn't be doing this. Whatever you want to say. But, I mean, I'm pairing that with how I trade and just giving me more confluences. But yeah, those are the trades that I could have seen today. You could have taken this short, you know, down here. Once we flip this, retested. If you were looking for a continuation, the reason why I wouldn't have taken it right here is because we had a 5-minute that did not reverse yet. I mean inverse, which was right in here. If you look, we didn't inverse it yet until the 11:20 candle closed. So for me, I'm not allowed to take it. So until 11:20 candle closes, can't take it here, can't take it here. Okay, now I could take it right here on this candle is when we inverse that, right? But at this point in time, we already tapped into this balanced price range in here, this sell side imbalance. Then we closed below the 5-minute on this candle right here. And we already got a reaction off of this. So I would have been like this. This was a fire trade too. Stop above this high. Target these lows. Solid trade. Or if you didn't want to take it there, you could have taken on the retest of this 1-minute gap. Right? Basically same trade. Fire trade too. But yeah, in my opinion, today was a decent day for trading. There was a couple of clean setups. There's a couple of clean setups you could have taken. I personally took the long and basically got right off the charts because I wasn't feeling too great and I wasn't even live streaming. I just had to lock back in on my personal trading real quick. So that's kind of what happened for me. But aside from that, we had a really strong day up and a really strong day lower now. So it's like, we'll see where price wants to go from here. Going into the rest of the week, I am not exactly sure. We still are in this 1-hour imbalance, so if we flip this, then I could probably look for lower, but if we hold this, then who knows? Right now we're stuck in the middle of a range, but aside from that, hope you all found this pretty insightful. I will catch you guys all tomorrow in live trading. Also, actually, I did screen record my trade today, like the entire thing. So if you guys are interested in seeing me upload those as well and you want me to start posting these, definitely let me know. And I can just start posting my wins, my losses. I mean, just so you guys could see everything. And I do commentate a little bit of what's going on and what I want to see. I mean, it's not anything like crazy, but if it's something you guys are interested in, definitely let me know because I could start posting. All right, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow.